Want to import bookmarks into Google Chrome? Whether you're switching from another browser or restoring a backup, Chrome makes it easy to import your saved bookmarks in just a few steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to import Chrome bookmarks on Windows. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, go to Bookmarks and Lists, then select Bookmark Manager. This is where you can organize, export, and import all of your bookmarks. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, click the three-dot menu inside the Bookmark Manager window, then choose Import Bookmarks. This option allows you to import bookmarks that were previously exported as an HTML file. Now browse to the location where your bookmark's HTML file is saved. Select the file and click Open. Chrome will immediately begin importing the bookmarks into your browser. After the import finishes, Chrome usually places the imported bookmarks inside a folder named Imported on the Bookmarks bar or in the Bookmark Manager. Take a moment to check that all of your bookmarks have been imported successfully. If you'd like, you can now move bookmarks into different folders, rename them, or delete any duplicates. Organizing your bookmarks makes it much easier to find your favorite websites later, and that's how to import Chrome bookmarks. Using the Bookmark Manager makes it quick and easy to restore your saved websites or move your bookmarks from another browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.